Hi sweeties! For today's video, we're going to talk about codes. So have you ever wondered if how the zip codes be read? When you buy products in the grocery stores, have you ever thought about the tags, meanings being scanned by the cashier? Or have you seen QR codes and how it is being used to expedite the process of locating a web address? So in this presentation, we will talk about different kinds of codes. So first, let's talk about what is code. So a code are symbolic ways to represent information. It is defined as a system of symbols such as letters or numbers used to represent a sign and often secret meanings. Thus, codes were already used even during ancient times. An example of this is cryptic code engraved into the blade of this 13th century sword discovered in the 19th century in the River Witham near Lincoln in northern England. The said inscription continues to baffle historians, cryptographers, and linguists. The British Library in London even appealed to the public last year for help in cracking this 800-year-old mystery. Is the binary code. Binary code is defined as the simplest form of computer code or programming data. It is represented entirely by a string of consecutive zeros and ones. It is often associated with machine code since these binary sets can be combined to form raw code, which is interpreted by computer or other hardware pieces. Hence, binary code is how most computers and computerized devices ultimately send, receive, and store information. Binary codes can also be categorized into weighted codes, non-weighted codes, binary coded decimal code, and alphanumeric code. Binary code is advantageous since it is suitable for computer application and digital communication. It is used to analyze and design digital circuits, and implementations is easy since only 0 and 1 digits are being used. So note that the digital data is represented, stored, and transmitted as binary code group, which is also called binary code. So this code is represented by the number as well as the alphanumeric table. So in this table, it shows an 8-bit binary code sequence using the UTF-8 binary code. So as you can see, we have the column for the character and the corresponding binary code. You can see we have the letters, numbers, symbols, and others. Next, let's talk about barcode and product tag. First, the POSTNET code or the zip plus 4 code. So this consists of a 5-digit zip code plus a 4-digit extension and a check digit, which consists of long and short vertical bars. Is used by U.S. Postal Service. The 10-digit used in the zip plus 4 code are represented by 50 bars. Each digit is represented by 5 bars, which consists of 2 long bars and 3 short bars. However, 2 extra 2 long vertical bars are located at the beginning and end of the zip plus 4 code, which serve as the guard bars. So for example, in this POSTNET code, we have the 55523577072. So as you can see, this decimal digit and the column for barcode. So as you can see, in the decimal digit 1, the corresponding barcode of this is 3 short bar and 2 long bars. 1. The Universal Product Code or the UPC. This is a type of code printed on retail product packaging to aid in identifying a particular item. It is also helpful in tracking inventory within a store or warehouse. UPC barcode is composed of 12-digit numbers which can be denoted as X sub 1, X sub 2, X sub 3 until X sub 12, where X sub 1 represents the type of the product. The next 5 digits represent the manufacturer and the succeeding 5 digit identifies the product. So during the last digit, it represents the check digit. So for example, we have the 10 unique codes for Amazon listings and personal products. Next, the Quick Response Code or the QR code. It was designed to allow high-speed scanning and now one of the most popular product tagging schemes. It is detected as a two-dimensional digital image by a semiconductor image sensor. Therefore, it offers fast readability and greater storage capacity compared to standard UPC barcodes. QR code have three distinctive squares at the corners of the image and a smaller square near the fourth corner. Other QR codes also incorporate colors, logos, and other features to be more attractive. You can also generate your own QR code using websites. So this is an example of QR code. Next is the International Standard Book Number or the ISBN. It consists of 13 digits calculated using specific mathematics formula and includes a check digit for validation. It is also a product identifier used by publisher, booksellers, libraries, internet retailers, and other supply chain participants to order, list, record, and stock control purposes. So here is an example of the ISBN. So as you can see, we can see the EAN prefix, the registration group, the registrant, the publication, and also the check digit. So in summary, the following important concepts are defined in this module. So binary code is defined as the simplest form of computer code or programming data. It is represented entirely by a string of consecutive zeros and ones. It is often associated with machine code since these binary sets can be combined to form raw code, which is interpreted by computer or other hardware pieces. POSTNET code or zip+4 code consists of a 5-digit zip code plus a 4-digit extension. U.S. Postal Services use a check digit consisting of long and short vertical bar. The 10-digit used in the zip+4 code are represented by 50 bars. Each digit is represented by 5 bars, which consists of 2 long bars and 3 short bars. However, 2 extra long vertical bars are located at the beginning and end of the zip+4 code, which serve as the guard bars. The UPC code is a type of code printed on retail product packaging to identify a particular item. It is also helpful in tracking inventory within a store or warehouse. The Quick Response Code was designed to follow high-speed scanning and now one of the most popular product tagging schemes. It is detected as a two-dimensional digital image by a semiconductor image sensor. And lastly, the ISBN or the International Standard Book Number. It consists of 13 digits calculated using specific mathematics formula and includes a check digit for validation. It is a product identifier used by publishers, booksellers, libraries, internet retailers, and other supply chain participants to order, list, record, and stock control purposes. So that's all, sweeties. See you in the next video.